found a very rare type of traffic light here in Melbourne, what's used for trams. That one is a white U-turn indicator. It's activated by a button on the pole. Now press the button on the pole. The tram shunt button on the pole, and once pressing it, it'll activate. It's waiting a long time for this to activate. So when I tried to film this the other day, it was forever to activate this light. Coming on now. Yeah, tram shunts come up over there. Now I'll turn the camera around. It's going to activate this one now. Now this one will come up. Victor Railhead has always seen this. I showed him for a private message on the messenger. When I did this last time, it took ages for this to turn off. See, it'll take a while for it to go out. It means tram shunting, but it's a U-turn indicator. There we go, now it's gone out. Now the light will come back to white T again. Now I can show you what it's for. It's for this crossover right here, for this crossover for the trams. And to activate it, there's a button on the pole right here. As it tries, I'll get to activate again. We've got some unusual tram shunting signs as well.
Three T lights,
I'll show you the tram shunting signs, but I've got to wait a long time for them to come on, so I might jump cut until at least the T lights go out. So I'll show you this coming on. Didn't even do anything. Look at, I just noticed this. This is an old, looks like an old abandoned traffic light here, and it's not your normal traffic light either. It's actually got letters inside it. St Kilda, what, St Kilda Road, and 8.
That was like an old tram light too on top.
It's got an old filament bulb in there. Old incandescent light bulb in there. I can't tell which one it is, but now it might be something to do with the tram points ahead, because, but it's definitely abandoned because there's no actual indicator here. There is no indicator here, but the trams just turn left. This might be abandoned, it might still be in use, I don't know, but it has got St Kilda there written on it for St Kilda Road. Siding, right and left, I think it means. I'm going to have to take a look down there and see if there's anything else.